ball head with 3 volt power, a little more hydraulic. Winner, Lakeland, Florida. 1958, 240 International. George Livingston. Roofing Park, Florida. February outfit from Sebring, Florida, the passenger. 1947 John Deere Bean. Pistol for Charlie. Right on the side of February meeting. I don't know what's going on. Here's a memory of Uncle High, 1951 John Deere Bean, Dean and Del Moore, Tampa, Florida. There's another sign there for Charlie. And he's pulling an original plow that came with his tractor brand new. Here's a Beaver Bug, a 28 Ford, and a Lewis, late gray. Now Beaver Bugs were usually made up of whatever other car they had around. They didn't have money for paint and stuff, so they were considered original. Oh, I ain't paying the Flywheelers this shop sign. There's a John Deere 870. 1993, go further, Seminole, Florida. Here's an Oliver Super 34, around 700 some of these made. 1958, Jim Williams, Bay City. These are highly sought after in the Oliver collector world. Here's an Oliver 66 roll crop. I grew up with one of these. It's got forever going. Did a lot of that with one. Glenn from Okeechobee, and he's pulling a original Oliver 70 with a 4 kilometers. You can see the patent numbers on the kilometers, Out of Nebraska? This tractor came out of Nebraska 3 weeks ago. It's all original paint. 1946. There's an Oliver 77 report code, right there, congratulations. It's got the electric hydraulic handles and everything set on it up too. Got a 230 hitch, yeah, pretty unusual on an Oliver. Here's an Oliver 660, 1959. Lion Plastic from Ripon, Wisconsin. Right? That's your 420, that's in our course here. You're just a little smaller today. Here's a high cross. These are highly sought after tractors in any brand. 30, yep, 30, 20 diesel, Bender Roller, Dryer AB. Here we go. Hamilton, Michigan, on the Ferguson 30 high cross. Both had a Continental engine in them. They were really nice tractors. Here's a John Deere hand cranker unstyled. If you know what unstyled is, hand crank means you had to spin the flywheel to get it running. 37 John Deere Bean, Honda Basement from Lake World. A 38 Case RC, your bumper, Bowbay. John Deere, 1967, 2510, Ray Harris, Prosper, Florida. All this work cars, I love to see them that way. Here's a Massey Harris Pacer, you don't see many places, 1953, Larry Porter, Zephyr Hills. The other red, the good red, huh? Here's a 58 Ford tricycle, you don't see many of them. Called Troublesome from Johns Island, South Carolina. Always loved that style of tractor. A 4-foot electromatic work group, they're good, is that right? John Deere 620. Trusty Gibbs, Florida, 1958. Moving John Deere Elm, 1949, Roger Taylor Wilson. Antique movie tricycle. Farmall 200, genealogy. John Deere Blue, Colin Donna Eckerson Jr., Newport Ritchie. Here's a Farmall 300, 1955, Market Tate, St. Paul, Florida. Farmall 8, Market Tate, St. Paul. Contractor's not leasing, it's marketing territory, it says. Farmall Super Seed. 1944, Farmall 8, G.R. Smith, Blueburn, Florida. There's a 53 Farmall Colt, George family, Orlando. There's a 656 International, High Cross. Don't see many of those. How many were made? Don't know. Low numbers. There's a BAC. The white's got ahead of me today, Harry. Yeah. Over in Florida. There's a Gold International. These are demonstrator tractors, and they send them off the Gold Horse. A lot of times when they got served, they were painted back to red. 1026, Max Daybreak, Angola, Indiana. Here's a 530 with a single bar mower on it. I'm in Robert Crawford, Closures, North Carolina. Yeah, I know this guy back here, Dan. Yeah, from Cicero, Michigan. He stays down here in Sebring in the winter. He's got a 59 model 630 John Deere that owns owned by Closures Farm Market. And he's also a member of the Kalamazoo Valley Antique Engineering Club. But anyway, that's into July. That's a particular car museum that's been there. It's one of the top car museums in the United States. It's the number one general car museum in Hinkley Point of Michigan. 1959, 730 LT John Deere, John Gibbons, City Gibbons, Burton, Ohio. A propane. I imagine this is a low number tractor. They didn't make many propanes in a lot of these tractors. Here's a John Deere 330. Always love these little two number little ones. 1859, it's a U. Tom and Robin Crawford, Closures, North Carolina. And here's our feature tractor for next month, Matthew Ferguson, 1969. 1130, Tom and Robin Crawford, Closures, North Carolina. Billy's driving. Billy's reported, it's his tractor, he says. That's nice tractor. And here's the guy with the John Deere beef pushing Big Nancy with a chain. The 1950 John Deere beef, Greg Stolper from Northport Fires. You know, we had a car crash to play this morning right here. Always pushing the plate, you know.